Friends, welcome to my channel Mr. Good Channel 1. Today I want to show you my new computer desk. I bought it half year ago and it is fantastic. I'm working on this desk every day and the quality of the desk is very good. Please see my short video about this desk. I recommend this desk to all people. If you have any questions, please ask them, and all the information about the company who made this desk will be under the video. Thanks. I want to show you my new computer desk. It can lift all my monitor. Now I ask my friend to show how it's easy. As you can see, it's very easy to lift all monitors and computers. If you will have any questions, please ask. I will put all information about this computer desk under the video. Metal construction of the desk is very strong and it will work for a very long time.